Hanwha Vision's OnCloud Cloud VMS allows users to easily adjust a registered camera device's settings. The camera's settings menu can be accessed in several ways. From the camera dashboard, click on a camera's menu icon to reveal the drop-down menu and select Camera Settings. If you are viewing a camera live or in playback, click on the gear icon located at the top right corner of the camera's control bar to reveal the context menu and select All Camera Settings. If you are viewing a camera in a layout, mouse over the viewing pane to reveal the gear icon in the pane's top right corner. Click on it to reveal the context menu and select Settings. The Device Information tab of the Camera Settings page allows users to edit a device's name and displays the camera's information, including its status, serial number, MAC address, device firmware, OnCloud firmware, manufacturer, model number, and information regarding the camera's assigned location. The Video Settings tab will display any editable options available on the chosen camera. This Hanwha Vision XND C9083RV allows adjustment for several features including the recording video codec, a drop-down for available camera recording resolutions, and the option to flip and/or mirror a camera's field of view. It is important to note that all changes will be made to the camera in real time and will be seen in the camera's viewing pane on the left of the page. Other options for this camera include setting the camera's WDR level, the use of Widestream, Dynamic GOV, and Dynamic FPS, as well as adjustments in a picture's brightness, sharpness, and contrast, and the ability to enable or disable the camera's Auto IR mode. The Focus tab allows users to adjust the camera's focus and zoom settings and provides the ability to activate the camera's simple focus and initialize focus functions. The Audio Settings tab allows users to adjust settings related to a camera's microphone. A drop-down menu displays available audio devices, while volume, sensitivity, noise reduction settings, and audio out volume can all be set from this page. The Licenses tab provides the license type currently attached to the camera, displaying the start and expiration date of the license, as well as the ability to detach the license from the camera if needed. The Network tab displays the camera's network information, the option to record only on events to limit bandwidth usage, as well as the ability to set up to 3 maximum streaming bitrate schedules to control camera bandwidth usage. The Analytics Settings tab allows you to enable or disable edge-based camera analytics available on the camera, and to enable and edit advanced features such as analytics inclusion zones and virtual lines for virtual line crossing analytics. To learn more about OnCloud, visit us at hanwhavisionamerica.com.